In this video, we're going to look at developing a project structure by channel. And this is particularly useful when we're assigning work by practice or discipline. Now, the first thing I need to do is create my parent project, which is my account or client level project. So I'm going to click New Project here, and I'm going to give it a name. So let's give this the Hive account. Okay. And as this is a parent project, it's also the holding folder for all channel projects and then subsequently campaigns or projects underneath. So we don't need to really add any of the settings, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the labels here for under our media channels. And also I'm going to click next and make sure that this is shared with specifically myself, but this is the point where you can add your teams and you can add other individuals from your organization to this project. I'm going to click on and I'm going to leave this at the status view. So when I create this, we will see in the project navigator that the Hive account has now been created. Perfect. So the second thing I now need to do is start creating my channel campaigns underneath this. So I'm going to click New Project again, and I'm going to give this a name. So the first one I'm going to go with is this is the SEO channel. I'm going to label it, and the first label I'm going to come for is SEO. And I can also add the parent, and this is very important. In order to get the hierarchy in our project navigator, we must select our parent. So I'll select Hive account, and then I'll move on. Again, I'll keep it specific to myself, but you can add any team members you wish. And finally, I'm going to leave this at status view as well. And what we'll see here with the projects is that that is now nested neatly under the Hive account. Now, I also want to add another channel to this. So the fastest way I can do it is click copy, and you'll see it's copying the SEO project. I'm going to call this social. And because I'm copying, I want to update the labels. I'm going to deselect SEO. I'm going to add social. And I'm also going to add some further labels for Facebook, Google, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Now, I need to confirm that the parent project is the Hive account. And also making sure that it's shared with myself for any necessary team members, and then quickly click copy. And what we'll see is that the social project appears underneath the Hive account. Now, one thing to look at is how do we create the campaigns under this structure. So I'm going to jump to my templates quickly, and I'm going to apply my social campaign. Now, my parent project is going to be my social campaign, and I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to give it an end date of end of year, let's just say, and I'm going to just double check my labels. Perfect. And here I want to make sure that the parent project is social. And I'm going to apply that template. And what we see here, back to our project hierarchy, is our campaign has now nested itself underneath our social channel. So to recap, this is how we develop a project structure by channel.